Hello friends, today we are discussing the solution of assignment NPTEL assignment second of manufacturing process technology first and second. So here is the assignment. The due date of this assignment is February 5, 2025. Let's discuss the question number 1. In mechanism of wear, all top three options are related to wear, so the right answer is all of the above. Second question, friction. Friction is the resistive force between two sliding surfaces in contact. So question 2, resistive force is the right answer. Which of the following form is the softest and the hardest? So softest form is the ferrite and the hardest form is the martensite of the iron. So third option is correct. For the question number 4, which of the following basically does not govern the transformation of phases? In my opinion, all three options govern the transformation of the phases, but all of the above is not a correct answer because it does not govern the transformation of phases. So, in my opinion, third option may be correct, crystal structure. So, now go the question 5. Shrinkage allowance deal with the contraction of solid casting from melting point to freezing temperature. So when casting freeze from melting point to freezing temperature, then the shrinkages occur. Now come to the question number 6. Cementite form has the 6.67% of carbon by weight, while perlite form contain 0.8% of the carbon by weight. Because the perlite is the softest form, so it have less carbon, and the cementite is the hardest form, so it have more carbon. Which of the following is true for interstitial solid solution? So both A and B is the correct answer. Question number 8. Which type of gating system is ideal for the casting? So horizontal type of gating system is ideal for the flat casting. Alloy is the mixture of two or more materials having at least one material. So for question number 9, third option is correct. For the question number 10, the solidus line defines the temperature above which the phases in the diagram is liquid, while the liquidus line defines the temperature below which the phases are completely solid. The line, the solidus above the solidus line, the liquid, and the below the liquidus line, the phase is the solid. So here is the whole answers of the NPTEL assignment second of manufacturing process technology first and second. Thank you.